Hi everyone, I'm here to give some very um, alarming news, but we have a plan. So listen up. God has given a serious message. 4/7/2023. Post about the red planet. I gave you 2 visions about the red planet. Let the third of the world be taken unto me. My nation awaits. The Lord says it's before the rapture. And he's talking about a disaster that's going to take place. It's before the rapture. Soot, tell my people to protect their skin, not to inhale the air when this disaster hits. The ash, the fire, the radiation is harmful to health and skin. Radiation is in the forefront. It's in the water. It's in the air. It's in the dirt. Mention the visions. So, I'm going to mention the visions, which is on April 5th. I received a vision regarding seeing an astronaut walking on a planet. This planet was the color red, haze, and that was it. And there were some other things that I saw on that day, but it was regarding a different post. 4/7/23. I saw a vision when God told me to raise my hands up to him. I saw a red planet. Everything was the color red and black outline. There was hills and I saw ancient Hebrew people standing in a crowd wearing tunics. In March 2023, I heard God say, NASA, look into it. God told me to post about the red planet. God says, research the red planet. I have much to say. For those that don't know much about the red planet, that we're talking about Mars. And I, for one, have not researched at all about any planets up until these visions that prompted me to look into it recently. The last that I looked into planets was probably in 4th or 5th grade. So this is all really fascinating news to me and alarming. But listen on, and there is some great facts of what we can do to prepare. So, Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It's a dusty, cold desert, seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, extinct volcanoes, and there's evidence that it's been active in the past. Let's see how some more info. NASA Curiosity rover, Perseverance rover, first lander Insight, first helicopter Ingenuity. Perseverance rover, largest, most advanced, was made February 18, 2021, and made a journey of 203-day journey, and it traveled 293 million miles. All right. It was Ingenuity helicopter rode to Mars along with Perseverance. It is also, during the 1800s, people first observed canal-like features on Mars' surface. theories of alien species resided there. Okay, so there are some more robots and rovers from China and from, where else was it? Europe, India, that have made Arab, that have made some spacecrafts and landed recently, 2021. And it is a faint red haze, rocky desert, 1/10 mass of the Earth, minimal atmosphere, 2 polar ice caps, CO2 is too high to sustain life. Okay, so then I found some more information regarding. It has the tallest peak in the solar system, 3 times the height of Mount Everest. 1% as thick as the Earth. 95% CO2, 2% air. I don't know. I put 8R, so it could have been. I forgot. Maybe I forgot the I. 1.9% into O2, 0.14%, CO, 0.06%, windy, dusty storms, pink haze, no rain, running water in the past, erosions of rock, iron mantle crust, solid center, 0 magnetic field, solar wind strip Mars of its atmosphere, and with no ability to insulate. Very, very cold, 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we have 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Terrestrial planet, orbits the sun at 228 million kilometers, half as far as the Earth. Average temperature is 63 Celsius below zero, which is the temperature similar to Antarctica. Air is 100 times thinner than Earth. CO2 gotta wear an oxygen mask and suits around to walk around Mars. Violent storms, clouds, dust. Entire planet is covered in dusty clouds. 40% covered in smooth borealis basin. First spacecraft was July 15, 1965. Okay. We have some more information regarding other countries that have landed. We have atmosphere pressure is 1%. Liquid water cannot exist. Only lowest elevation, minimum time. Looks like a red star from the naked eye. Has largest volcano in solar system. Distance from the sun is 153,642,682 kilometers away from light time to the sun is about 13.746 minutes. Okay. Just thought you'd appreciate some background info on that planet. I appreciated researching it for myself since I didn't know much. The Lord wants me to share with you that the red planet has comets, and those are what is fire and ice. In other words, fire and ice plague. Must stock up, must prepare, and to keep safe. To keep your body safe. To keep your lungs safe. Alright. The Lord Abba has given instructions on how to prepare for this fire and ice plague. It is in the future. God always prepares his people in time. It gives enough time to prepare. Again, it's before the rapture. It is one of the plagues. And how to prepare is going to be in Red Planet Part 2 video. And everything is super alarming and scary. And it took me almost a month to gather a lot more insight, a lot more preparations to begin posting about the Red Planet. I have several notebooks of information that I have gathered that the Lord has given me but not yet to reveal. That is coming soon. Please stay tuned and be ready for part 2. And that's where I'll be posting a lot more information on how to prepare for this disaster regarding fire and ice plague, which has to do with comets that will hit the earth, that will fall from Mars to Earth. I know that's a lot of information. That's just shocking in itself. Take a deep breath. Don't live in denial. That is not going to get you anywhere. Just breathe, pray, prepare, sanctify yourself. Live in the moment and listen to the great advice that He's trying to give you to prepare for this. And He gives me these verses to leave you with. Esslesiaste 7:4. The heart of the wise is in the house of the mourning, but the heart of fools is in the house of pleasure. Kind of means those that are wise think about death, probably to prepare on how to live a long life and not die. But those who are fools are those that just focus on good times and probably living in denial. Ezekiel 38:7. Be ready and keep ready, you and all your hosts that are assembled about you, and be a guard for them. So prepare so that your family is prepared, for that your children are protected and prepared. Exodus 23:20. See, I am sending an angel ahead of you to guard you along the way to bring you to the place I have prepared. There's hope there. And 1 Peter 1:13. Therefore, with minds that are alert and fully sober, set your hope on the grace to be brought to you when Jesus Christ is revealed at His coming. I hope this has brought insight. It has blessed you in the sense of alarming you to prepare, to be vigilant, and stay tuned for Red Planet Part 2. God bless you.